If you want to permanently delete your Skyscanner account, follow these simple steps to ensure your information is removed from the system. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Skyscanner website or app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the profile or menu section of the website or app. Step 3. Find account deletion option. Look for an option related to account management or privacy settings. This should be a section that allows you to delete or deactivate your account. Step 4. Follow deletion instructions. Click on the account deletion option and follow the prompts. You may need to confirm your decision by entering your password or providing additional verification. Step 5. Confirm deletion. After completing the steps, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your account has been scheduled for deletion. Make sure to check your email for any follow-up instructions. Once you've completed these steps, your Skyscanner account will be permanently deleted. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to Skyscanner's customer support for assistance.